What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and a returning subscriber, what's up? Alrighty guys, so in today's video we are doing an install on this closure unit that was sent to me by Cynosure. This hair is so raw. Before we get into this video, before we get into the install, before we get into my thoughts in this review, I want you guys to understand that this is a 5x5 closure. Okay, this is not a frontal. Do you guys see how I was able to achieve this deep side part? That's crazy. I didn't have to tilt this wig. This wig is literally centered in the middle of my head perfectly, but we were still able to get this deep side part. So if that doesn't tell you everything you need to know about this unit, you need to know this right now. This unit is raw, okay, period. I did over bleach my knots. I got a little busy and my knots ended up over bleaching, but I want to show you guys that this is something you guys can come back from. You don't have to over bleach your knots and feel like it's done or walk around with brassy yellow hair. No, you don't have to do that. I can show you guys how to fix that. As you guys can see, you wouldn't even know I over bleached my knots. Let me show you guys. So like in here, you guys can kind of see that it's over bleached. You guys can see the roots are starting to look a little bronzy, but from this side, once I fixed it, you guys cannot even tell. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this wig and you guys want to know my true thoughts on this unit, please keep on watching. All right, y'all, so first thing we're gonna do is take our wig cap. Okay, I'm gonna slide her back. I'm not doing the ball cap method today because it's a closure, so it's not 110% necessary. So as you see, I left out a little bit of my hair and then we spray that down. This is what the wig looks like. Yes, like I told you guys, I over bleached it, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that, okay? So with my Ruby Kiss cream foundation in shade 09, I'm just going to put that all over the closure, okay? We want this to give scalpiana. Shout out to Cynosure, because Cynosure, they know what they be doing, okay? Yeah, we about to eat this up, period. Alright guys, so I put the wig on. This is what she's giving. This looks raw, period. I did pluck this a little bit off camera. It didn't need extreme plucking. It was very easy to pluck. So if you are not so good at plucking your wig, this is a good wig to invest in because it's not one of those wigs with like really thick knots, really like full hairline. It was very easy. So what I'm doing here is I'm just parting it. As you guys see, we get so much parting space with the 5x5 closure. It's honestly crazy. It was a little hard to part this wig though because I over bleached it, so I couldn't really see the proper shape. But I showed you guys this is what we went for. I really wanted that curvature in my part. I didn't want that straight back line. I like a curved part. Comment down below what part you like. Do you like the curve or do you like the straight? But I'm taking my hot comb that I got from the beauty supply store. This thing is hot, girl. I think it's like 500 degrees, but that's what you need with a curly wig like this. This wig is so voluminous. It is such big hair. Like if you like big hair, go get this wig because they are not shying out with the hair on this wig. It was so big, which I love that. I like big curly hair. I feel like it gives a really cute, fun vibe. You guys know I'm in South Florida, so I like to look like tropical, and I just feel like this is what that wig was giving me. So I was going in with the hot comb. After I hot combed it, just like regular, then I went in with the wax stick from She's Bomb, and we are just working that all throughout the hair. Because this hair is so big, you really want to like lay the front down. Like you can have everything else look big, but you really want the front portion of the hair to be very flat because this is what's going to give that illusion of scalp.
Look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down.
Alright, so period. Now what I'm going to do right now is I'm just cutting off those little tabs that come on the closure. You guys will see it on your closure. They have like these little double wefted kind of lace parts. So what I'm doing is just, you know, cutting that off so this can lay down really nice. These are the 3 options of glue. I went in with my Ghost Bond, but if you use the Even Lace Spray, I feel like that's the second level of a hold. It holds really nice. And then if you want like a light hold, you don't really want to leave your wig on for too long, then you can go in with the Got To Be Glue gel. But I wanted this wig to, you know, melt and hold for about a couple of days, so I'm only going to do 2 layers, and that's why I went in with my Ghost Bond glue. So I just want to show you guys the options that you guys have with laying down your lace. So I smooth my glue down. Once it dries down clear, we're just going to put this wig right up in front of our hairline. That is very, very important. I've noticed my wigs came out way better is when the hairline of the wig is right in front of my natural hairline. It just gives scalp, and it just, you know, hides a little bit of forehead, but it don't look too tight and too low on my head. So after I wrap my scarf down for 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take an eyebrow razor, and we are just gonna cut off the extra lace, okay? I don't know, after this install, I started to reaching for my scissors. You guys watch my hair tutorials, you guys would know I always use an eyebrow razor, but lately I just kind of do the zigzag motion with my scissors, and I have been liking it lately. So I don't know, but yeah, where's the lace? Yeah, because I ain't see it. I know y'all see it a little bit, but I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it completely. I'm gonna take a little bit of my spritz. Okay, we going old school. Y'all remember when y'all mama used to do y'all hair, or y'all, that hair lady used to do y'all hair, and she used to slick you down with that spritz, girl? That smell brought back memories. But I just sprayed down the little bit of lace that I have remaining with the spritz, and I blow dried it on a cool setting. And when I say that lace was gone, no scissor, gone, girl, okay? So here I'm just sectioning out my edges. Because this is a deep side part, I didn't need edges all around. So I pulled out my edges, and now I'm just plucking it to thin them out, because I didn't want my edges to be like super thick, okay? I wanted them to be nice and airy. So we're just plucking lightly, just not staying in one spot for too long, just going back and forth and just plucking out. And I'm sliding the hair that I'm plucking out down so I can see how much hair is coming out, and I can get it to my liking. So now we are just going to cut this hair at an angle, take a 1/2 inch flat iron, and I'm going to curl under. I could have curled up, but today I just curled under. Then I'm going to take my Got To Be Glued gel again, and I'm just going to lightly work that on the top portion of the edge. And then just taking my edge brush, we are just going to use a C-shaped motion. So it's shaped like the letter C, and we are going to comb that back into our hairline. So before we fix these super bleached knots, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same foundation, which is the Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation in 09, and I'm just going to define my part. So you want to define the part before you clean up the over bleached knots. So I'm just taking that foundation, defining it. So you can either use a black hairspray or black eyeshadow. I'm gonna do both methods so you guys can see. So what you want to do is you want to take the tail of a rat tail comb, and you just want to spray the black spray, and it just, as you see, the knots are just disappearing. The over bleached parts are just disappearing. The reason why I go in with the foundation, the eyeshadow, is because the spray, if you are not pushing that rat tail comb down hard enough, or if you have a little shaky hand, the spray is a little bit more wild, and it can get on your lace, like the part that we want to like stay scalp colored, it can get on there. So that's why the eyeshadow, I feel like I have more control. But it's definitely up to you. Eyeshadow, I feel like every girl kind of has that. I would hope so. So it's easier instead of having to buy the black spray anyways. But yeah, I just go in with the eyeshadow and rub that down. Then I went back in with the black spray, because the black spray was more of a dark black, but that was optional. So after everything, we sprayed her down with my even spray just to hold that color in. And then I'm just taking a little powder to blend my lace in better. So this is what the wig looks like in its natural poofy dry state. I love it. This wig is 26 inches, so I'm gonna show you guys a length check. Okay, you guys see she's very, very long. I think this unit is super gorgeous in its big fluffy, you know, natural hair state, but I know not everybody's like me. You guys like the wet hair, so let me show you guys what the hair looks like when it's wet. So when the hair is wet, it looks like this. super cute. The curls are defined, the curls are juicy, the curls are bouncy, the curls are healthy. Okay, this hair is super duper gorgeous. This hair is a must have. Okay, I like the hair in its wet state, but I'm gonna show you guys what's my favorite hair state. My favorite is definitely the semi. This is like 80% dry. I love it. The curls are defined with just water, no product, and it looks super raw. I love this hair so much. So if you were considering on getting this unit, definitely make the purchase. It's raw, it's bomb, it's a must-have. All right, my love, so that is the end of today's video. I wanted to show you guys what this hair looked like in its dry state and the wet state. As you guys see, this is my favorite state to wear this hair. I love to wear it in that semi-wet state. So if you like this style, what you can do is when you wet your hair, you can also add a little bit of gel or a little bit of mousse. Once it dries down, it's going to be really dry, but most likely a little crunchy. When you comb it out, it's going to still have the defined curls but still be big like this. So this hair is honestly gorgeous. I love this hair. I love me just a nice standard black curly wig. I feel like this goes good with anybody. It is just a must-have in a girl's closet. Another thing that I love about this hair is sometimes closures I feel very limited with the middle part. You can't really do much with it, but with this closure, it is very versatile. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we didn't have to tilt the wig to make it be a deep side part. This is literally, the closure is literally sitting perfectly on my forehead, and I was still able to get this gorgeous deep side part. I love this unit for that. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this fire wig, definitely check my description box. I have all the links with some promo codes, just all the good stuff that you need for this unit. This wig is so raw, guys, so raw. I'm obsessed. I feel like I look so freaking cute. I'm gonna cry to take this off because super duper cute. All right, guys, but that is the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. I love you guys so freaking much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.